Hey, what's up, guys? Back again. Oh, jeez. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Special Lizard back again with another video. Where today I'm going to be playing SwitchBlade. It's this fun game I found, similar to World of Tanks, which if some of you don't know, all of you don't know, I'm an idiot, and I did a World of Tanks video that I'm gonna redo later. And, I accidentally deleted the file. Yeah, I accidentally deleted the file, and, yeah, this game's a lot like World of Tanks, and I really enjoyed World of Tanks, and oh my god, I forgot how high the mouse sensitivity is on this game, so, you're gonna, oh crap, that's not what I wanted to do. How do I go back? Can I, like, escape? Okay, there we go. Graphics, no. Extra social, game, audio. Graphics, can't say graphics. The resolution, window mode, where's the, it doesn't matter, I don't really care anymore. No, it's not in graphics, of course not. Why would it be? I'm sorry, just kind of click escape, possibly in game. I already checked that. Oh jeez, it's not called sensitivity, it's called freaking, it's called mouse speed. Welcome to Chili's. We'll have to click, no. Well, oh. Okay, back. Alright, so, let's see if the, oh god, oh, I thought I controlled my phone for a second. It's gonna make a loud noise. So, perfect. I'm probably gonna play with Xbox controller because it seems easier. So, yeah, I'm just gonna click play. Training. Basic controls. Yeah, this game is free on Steam and PlayStation Store, so I don't know. I think it's free on Xbox too. I don't know. I just have it on my PlayStation and my computer, so I might get it on my Xbox. I don't know. Probably not. But this game, it's fun. I played it on my PlayStation a bit, so it seems fun for me to play on the channel.
Let's calibrate your camera Y axis.
Oh. Okay. I thought I had okay. I thought I had invert Y on. Game. Invert Y. And Y. Okay, that's driving 101. That sounds really amazing. Actually, I think I'd like to take a driving 101 test. Ooh, this is cool. I like it. I don't know why I get the sensation that I should just talk like an idiot. I don't know why I get the sensation that I need to talk like that when I'm doing a video without a face cam, but I do that. So I hope you guys are okay with that. I don't just do it when I'm making videos. I do it randomly sometimes, and it's hard to resist. So yeah, sorry about that. Oh god. Oh Jesus. How hard is it to drive? I'm not ready for 6 years. I'm not ready for my life in 2 years. What's up? What's up? You want to fight? Let's go. Try me. Alright, so I know most of the mechanics of this game because I've already taken a training course, but that was on my PlayStation. Oh, this is cool. I think I already have. I hope I have the sound down. Jeez, I don't. Oh, I need this. Okay. I'm really sorry about that. I might put the SFX volume a little higher up. No, music volume isn't needed. Announcer volume. I want that to be 2. No, 3. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm going to press back because that's racist. Hey!
Unlock the weapon.
I think I want the, LB.
Try out your new secondary weapon.
Ow! It's annoying. Ow. Try me. Oh, this is dope. This is actually dope. Dude, that's awesome! And I don't even need to click a button for that to work, man. That's dope.
Your weapons become more powerful and their cooldown time decreases.
Sharp turn. Deja vu.
Move on to super weapons.
Just freaking Tokyo drift that rock.
Powerful weapons that are only available
What's up?
after
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
destroy enough mobs to reach level
I
4.
swear to God. Do I have to hit this? It's hot.
Upgrade available.
The game was like way harder to play with invert Y. So I had that on when I first did the training mission because I didn't know how to change it until I decided to just mess with the thing. So that sucked. When I first played the game on PS4. Now I'm playing it on my computer and I have an Xbox controller mixed into it. Or plugged into it. Mixed into it. The crap. What the crap, dude? I think I might want to do LRB. Oh, no, I can't. Sweet. I can't even shoot, man. Oh.
Tesla storm available. Try out your
You're hot.
super now. Tesla storm.
Dude, that's actually dope. And then I'm just gonna take my little rod out. I'm
Game changer.
gonna charge up some energy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take my rod out and charge some energy. Imagine ASMR saying that, dude. It'd just be weird. Oh, and just so you know, guys, you know what I noticed? So, if you ever decide you should watch a Cyrus face cam video, just don't. I'm just saying that because he has the mic literally on top of his nose. Like, why do you need it that close to your face, man? Oh, that was a mega fail. Okay, well, that had no point, no purpose, besides showing me what to do. Spend your dollar sign on a new shopping thing. I don't think I'm gonna shop, but I think I have to click the button anyway. So, oh no, I don't. I forgot. I just need to freaking blast the crap out of these guys. What's up? What's poppin'? My name's It's your boy Special Lizard, back again with another video. Oh no, I'm doing my intro on these guys. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, S to the L here. Where's my health located? Okay, good. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, S to the L here, back again with another video.
Upgrade available.
Come here, try me. Come here and try me. Come here and try me. You want to fight? Let's go. Let's pop. Oh, jeez. Oh, you're cool. That's real amazing. What's up, pal? Oh, da-da-da-da-da-da. Bastion noise. Hey, pal. Stop it. Stop it. No. Stop existing. Oh my gosh. These dudes. Oh my god.
Tutorial complete. Excellent work.
Jesus. These guys were coming out from every single angle you could think of. 90 degree, 710, 720. I don't know, 180. I used to skate. 720, is that a thing? 420 blaze it. It's not even funny.
The basics of how
It's not funny anymore, at least. It's only funny in 420, which I missed. Dang it! Or no, I didn't. I didn't miss 420. Wait a minute, no. Sounds wrong. I just made a bunch of jokes. Jesus. Alright. Is weed even illegal where I live? Yeah, it is. Crap.
Shields can only be damaged by your team's mobs.
anyone is trying to know where I live, that's a clue. I'm not gonna tell you where I live because. Okay, I know. I should shoot them. Bad boys. They're bad. Actually, no, I don't want to do that. That's okay. But, oh, maybe I did because this one is small and I forgot he shoots. Jeez, these guys.
Towers have lasers to protect them from mobs, but they can't stop everyone. The more mobs breach a tower, the more will get through.
So should I do this?
Keep the tower suppressed until enough mobs get through.
Okay, so I can't use my vehicle's weapons. That's good to know. I know. I wonder if I'm ear raping you guys. That'd probably be a little annoying, but yeah. Dude, this thing has R2-D2 on the back. I'm freaking
The shield has been removed.
freaking Luke Skywalker over here.
To destroy it.
Oh heck yeah, dude. Oh yes! Yes! That is satisfying, man. That is awesome. Dude, that's satisfying as crap, man. Oh, I still can't go over here. My opinion, I think the little one's better.
Dropship respawned.
Alright, let's go. I might even do this game on commentary. It seems like a good commentary game, but I'm just doing the training for today's episode, and the training does take a while. But I think it might be done. Nope, I have one more. Okay. Oh yeah, you die every time you do
You
that.
must wait in the sin bin until you respawn.
What is my gender?
You can buy upgrades and consumables.
I think I'm a female.
And spend skill points.
What?
While you wait
What is my gender? What? Okay, I think I'm just a flat female. Or I'm a guy who just really works on his abs and not his pecs. I don't know.
You are about to approach the enemy base.
What am I?
Is your
I'm trans. I'm trans.
As before,
Trans.
use mobs to take out the shield in the
It's loading timer. Now take this, you meanie McKeenie. Oh yeah, that won't damage. You evil McKeever. Oh, it's Evil Knievel. I didn't remember that. Where's the thing located at? Where's it at? I like how there's no ammo in this game. It makes me feel happy. Everything I don't think I want to go over there, yeah. Everyone was just murdering, killing themselves over there. Suicide! Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. That was cringy. Yup, I'm not going to say it anymore. That's the only time I'm going to say it for the rest of the video. Which is, I hope, almost done because I only have a limited time. 15 minutes? I mean, like, seriously, I don't want to pay him much money. I mean, like, seriously, why do you have to pay money to make a video over 15 minutes? It's dumb. Where's this thing located at? Jesus. Oh, you're saying I just had to shoot that whole time? Well, okay, you said I couldn't damage it. I swear. Oh, am I going to be sent back to the lobby? That'd be pretty awesome if I was. Oh, okay, cool. I'm trying to upgrade it, and then... Oh, that's a convenient time. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a big fat like. And, if you don't, I swear to God, I will eat your toes. So, yeah. I really wish I still had really wish I could use my face cam right now, but I can't. So, yeah, I hope this video is over, I think.